This is question 1 of the P2.3 end of topic test. On screen now is the mark scheme for the question, so please mark your work. If you get the question correct, I suggest you move on to the next question. If you get part of the question incorrect, please listen to the rest of the recording to find out how to get this question correct in the future. So the first question, the first part of the question is shown on the screen here, and you've got question 1, and what it's asking you to do is draw a diagram using circuit symbols to show the different parts. So you've got a battery, so that's what I've drawn there as a cell, so I need 2 or more cells to make a battery. So I've got a battery there, so it needs to be 2 or more. The next thing that I need to do is I need to be able to draw in what comes next in the circuit, which is in this case an ammeter, which will be an A. And then I need to draw what comes next, which is this bit, which is a variable resistor. So I'm going to have it coming down this way. Variable resistor, remember, is a resistor with an arrow going through it. And there is your circuit diagram. Remember, it needs to all be completed. Now it's worth 3 marks. You get 1 mark for getting your battery, which is 2 or more cells. So if you've done 2 or 3 or 4, if they've just done 1, then you lose a mark. Your ammeter and your variable resistor, and they should all be connected together. So in this question, it asks you what happens to the current of the circuit as the petrol tank falls. As the petrol falls, the float moves down. You can see then that the sliding contact is going to increase. The sliding contact is also going to move down this way, which basically means that more of the resistance or more of the resistor is available. So that means that the resistance increases because more of the resistance on show. Because more of the resistance on show and the resistance increases, the current decreases. There's 1 mark. The reason being is the resistance increases. That's the second mark, so you get 2 marks for this question. However, just to explain it further, the reason the resistance increases is because the current passes through more of the variable resistor. And that's how you answer that question.